Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Time. Ready.
I need some An Blenda time. I'm want to call and talk of the King's Day.
The reason I'm going with him because I see the boy out there to get a beard with the same rag.
Well, the boy have you and the girl a beard with the same red rock.
Yes. Raga.
Yeah.
This is the girl with the next side of story about the red raga. Then people that look at me and say you're Haganiering because we are.
Yo, that word them mad. Haganiering. Haganiering to the flipping world.
Hi. Ragashanti, I the Mixup daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on. Yes, Ragashanti. Do you know how you feelings this, right? And you know me have to listen to your program because you talk a crocus bag of things with scandal side of it.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I need some An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I need some An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
I need some An Blenda time.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Check. Balance it down. Let it go. Let it go. Wagwan people big up on yourself in the night, yeah, and I big up on yourself in the night at the time I get cool over here, man. I tell another time I get cool. Well, it wasn't so bad today, actually. It wasn't that bad today. It was a little crazy like about 2 days ago. It got ridiculously cool. Well, not ridiculously cool. It got like surprisingly, suddenly chilly. Suddenly really chilly. That's a better characterization of it. Right? All of a sudden I find out say my second son I grew. Him jacket couldn't fit him, you know. So you don't know right away you have to go line up a new jacket for him. And yo, when picnic young, you know, like you you always a spend. Cause through them a grow, you know. And, you know, them not reach that second stage yet where them height where them a go stay for the, you know, most of them life and things. So you just always at it. And them a picnic nowadays like, you know, them not stay one night too long. Well, that is what I think. Greetings, people. Big up on yourself in the night. Yeah, in a proper respect. I'm in here, Ragashanti. You're in tune to Ragashanti live on the big bad damn bridge 99 FM. And think bless upon yourself in the night. Yeah, you know one. Yeah, no, kind of. I don't know. Again, I don't know. Sensational, but it's nonetheless interested. So, twin ladies. They were two brother. The woman them are twin, but the man them are not twin. But you know, two sister. They were two brother. The woman them are twin. And the man, them are not twin. And at one point, the sister, they meet the youth, their mother. And the mother, you know, like them and get in with them and thing. So one of the sister, them is a chef. And the mother love to cook. So at one point, the mother and the chef sister make an appointment for the mother go show her some cooking thing, you know? Some cooking thing. But the mother couldn't tell them apart at that time, so the mother was, you know, she just go with, you know, she just assumed that the chef one go come. But anyway, the chef one couldn't go to the mother at the time when the appointment for me, at the time of the appointment. So she called her boyfriend and asked her boyfriend if, you know, him would be cool with if our sister go. Because the mother not going to be able to tell the difference and thing, and she don't want to disappoint the mother. So her boyfriend called him brother and said, what you think or whatever. So them agree with it. And the sister go. And the mother was of the impression that it was the chef sister she did it with, and the mother show her the recipe and her cooking at the kitchen, and you know, them do them big elaborate cooking and thing and whatever and them something. So after that now when the sister go home now, the sister tell the chef, the chef sister what transpired. So that, you know, when she meet back the mother now, she can, you know, she would be able to, you know, continue to engage in the conversation, because she have to know what happened down. So that is that. Apparently years later, almost 6 years later, everybody's still there. The two brothers still there with the two sisters. And them in a conversation at one point and thing and whatever. And them, you know, reveal it, like jokingly just reveal it to their mother. That, yo, you know, yeah, years ago when we just start talking and whatever, and, you know, so and so couldn't get for come, you know. So she send the sister and thing and whatever, and I saw the twin them get through with this and that and way. But them just I tell the mother jokingly, you know, in passing, like, you know, yeah, this did happen and it's no big deal and whatever. The mother begs. The mother begs. Mother says she not chat to the sister them. And she tell the son them, say she lose, me a paraphrase, she tell the son them she lose half of them, and if them was a fear pit, they should have cut them off too. The mother not chat to the sister them at all. Oh, they married now. They married and thing, and the mother not chat to her daughter-in-law them. The mother's contention is that that was a serious deception, and it was disrespectful, and it was terrible and whatever. Her sons are like, come on, Mom, it's not that big a deal. Yeah, you know, there's not like a buying and we work out that thing. No harm done and whatever. But the mother's thing was that it was a deception. And apparently what upset the mother more too was that after that, when the mother attacked to the chef's sister did attack to her like she was there, you know. And that really rocked his mother, you know. Yeah. Okay, that really upset the mother, you know. The mother thing was, so I'm telling you, when you did that, talk to me like a you did there, and, you know, like the mother, that just rubbed the mother the wrong way. So the mother thing was, you know, they were all in concert. It was a conspiracy. You know, they all came together to, you know, disrespect her. Well, mother making a big deal about it. The twins were like, no, they did stuff like that all the time, and that twins, you know, do stuff like that all the time, and it's no big deal for them, and it's not like, you know, harm, and, you know, and them say them wouldn't go too far with it, like, you know, go exchange with them man and them something. Them say, them not go that far, but, you know, their argument is like, twins do them something there all the while, and them no mean no harm by it. It's just a thing, and, you know, but the mother is like, yo, it's a big deal, and And the sons, you know, they're like, yo, you know, mom, that is not, it's not that deep for you stop talk to your daughter-in-law, them or whatever. But the mother will rather, the mother, I said, boy, them deceive her. And I remember, this is like 5-6 years ago. And the mother just a year. And well, you know, again, twin sisters. The mother did for meet one. The other one go meet with the mother. And the mother went through this whole, you know, girls hanging out, cooking exercise with her. And some sharing and I guess some bonding and things like that. And then that sister left and then go tell the other sister who should have been there what occurred. And then that sister came back and act like it was her and was having conversations with the mother thereafter. And as if it was her. And the mother just took umbrage to that, and she's and became most upset about it and ceased communicating with both her daughter-in-laws based on what she construed to be, you know, a terrible deception on their part. But again, on the other side of the kids, they didn't think it was that big a deal. The sons didn't think it was that big a deal. They said no harm was done and it is something to laugh about and thing. And the sisters are like, yo, twins do this all the time, you know. I wouldn't mean nothing about it or whatever. I don't know. I think the mother has a right to be upset, you know. Well, I think the mother has a right to be like, yo, shouldn't do that or whatever. I'm not so sure I agree with the mother saying, cut off, you know, like, you know, done with it. Your daughter-in-law in a minute, you remember? You know? Oh, and by the way, everything was good before this. I live good. No problem, you know, and the daughter-in-law, they respect their mother-in-law and they had a great relationship before they revealed this to the mother. And then the question raised, should they have done that? Well, they didn't think anything of it. It was like a little joke for them, like something from a long time before, and you know, so it wasn't even something where they were in a debate about like, should we do it or should we, you know, whatever, because they never did have to say nothing or whatever. So I guess they were just you know, in passing, you know, just saying, you know, yeah, this thing happened a long time, you know, so we can't tell you now or whatever. I don't know. I think the mother, you know, I can understand now on hearing that, the mother be like, so wait, and the whole time you did that talk to me like, say you did it. You know, so I'm not too comfortable with that and probably vex a little bit and then, you know, get over it and thing. But the mother say, straight cut off. Moment done with them. Done with them. Anyway, phone line 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996. Calling with anything on our calling board. Hey, them still roast jackfruit. Press you ever eat roast jackfruit seed? Oh, for real? Okay, cause usually when we knock you with the traditional thing, them, you know, sometimes you don't even know there's something of them, but I try to tell somebody, say, yo, well, I don't think Jamaicans would stop doing that. I mean, again, you know, one of them something that way, if you know the Jamaica, you know what I go on, because some of the things them cut out for you, you know. Some of the things them cut out, unfortunately, some of the traditional things them where we used to do, like you just grew up on them something there. You know, the things set different, you know, enough of them something there. It's not cashew. I want to tell Marine about cashew. Cashew are different something, man. We talk roast jackfruit seed. Right? Roast jackfruit seed. What day me go on supermarket up here? Well, the one over on Springfield, Stop and Shop. And you know how them sell. There's a thing up here now, you know, to sell. President, bring in a call. There's a thing up here now to sell what them call international food or ethnic food, which I always find curious, as if all people not come from an ethnicity. But they refer to ethnic as something that is non-white. And I saw this thing, I sell jackfruit, and sometimes you buy them something and them taste bad, you see. But I was more surprised the way that I want the jackfruit taste just like our nice jackfruit taste, though, like it fresh and nice and whatever. And it just hurt me, did feel dash of the jackfruit seed them. Anyway, good night, caller, what's up? Hello?
Yeah, Raga.
Wagwan.
Yeah, Raga.
Hey, where you say?
You know, so I boil see them, you know.
You boil the jack? Oh, yeah.
Up here. Me know. Yo, my favorite food, you know.
Oh.
It's on sour sap, but you me do with my see them now.
Yeah.
Me boil them up.
Hold on. You see when you talk to me about this?
Yeah, the boys.
Hold on. Anytime you call it up. Wait a minute, hold on, man. Anytime you call Prezi, you have a thing like, no, you're not listening, me, man. Anytime you call Prezi, you have a thing like, yup, I aim that to do. Because Prezi, you always have said things, so you hear Prezi around the ball out. Why? So a while ago, you say like, so here I go, here what I'm doing my seed, them. Yeah, so here we go. Jackfruit seed. After you say it, you realize, say, yo, a ragga me a talk to, you know, I'm going to fix up that, you know. I'm going to fix up that a ragga me a talk to. No, you don't have to apologize. You know, so I be your arms also keep. It's all about entertainment. Anyway, so what you say you do with your jackfruit seed, them, you know? You boil them. Oh,
and boil them now.
Yeah.
It depends on the mood of me, you know. If I boil them and take off the trash, me crush them. You crush them after you boil them? Yeah. Eh? Yeah, like a mashed potato I make. Yeah.
Oh, I know about the boil, but I never know about crushing them.
I boil them up, but the jackfruit, them up, I mean, you get some good ones sometimes, and sometimes you get some bad ones.
No, man, you know what? You know you go card.
Bad.
You know up here when you go buy tambourine or you go buy mango and whatever, them just never taste like how we used to them at Jamaica, right? And then so when I buy this over the weekend, to be honest with you, I never did I expect it for you, you know. But my thing was, I hope it can at least approximate the good taste. And surprisingly, it just tasted, the jackfruit tastes really, really good, almost fresh and nice and whatever, to the point where I enjoyed it so much. I said, John, I wish I could have roast the seed them, you know, the jackfruit seed them, of course. And thing, yeah. But the boil and crush, I never know about that, the crush part.
But also, still, you can put them on a file paper and put them in a toaster oven, you know.
Oh, for real?
In the same roast.
They say they what?
Yeah, the same roast.
Oh.
The same roast, yeah, roast.
Oh, the same roast. Well, yeah, you have a point. Well, yeah, that kind of, no, you're right.
Yeah.
No, but thanks to tell me that. So the next time, the next time I'm going to try that. Because, wait, you don't have anybody ever, like, eat the seed, them, like you don't, as you eat the jackfruit, them eat the seed, them. Anybody ever do that?
No, I never hear of the one, brother.
Oh, come just say, if it can roast me, I wonder if some people just eat the seed straight up, so, you know. No. But I be a roast, we used to roast the seed.
My rasta brethren cook. Yeah, man, I look over. My brethren cook the jackfruit, though, you know. No way I'm cooking. My rasta brethren cook it. I never tried that one yet.
No, it sell in the vegan restaurants, them here, you know. Them cook it, you know, and sometimes them, I want to tell you, them use jackfruit and them do this thing with jackfruit. You think a stew beef you eat. Because, you know, them have this thing where them approximate meat in the vegan restaurant, them, but it's not meat. And jackfruit is one of the things them where them use to look like a meat, you know? And them brown it and color it certain way and whatever, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sure something with you as a since your parents, since your father now. You know, so the same green plant in there.
Yeah.
Me have kids, you know. Me cut it up like in a chips way. And spread and sprinkle a little all-purpose seasoning on it. Just a little bit. I'm fry it and give it to the kids and them virgin. Them kill it, you know.
Okay.
Green plant in there. But for you know, you can put your black pepper on it, you know, and put your all-purpose in. And you can put your garlic powder on it, you know, and do it your way, because you eat it away. But you the kids them know, and
right.
Kids, you can't go too much spicy. It's much very spicy with them. But one just sprinkle as a little all-purpose on it, then rub it up and fry it dry. Brother, once you give them a 3-4 slices, they must say, Daddy, run that thing there again, no?
Okay.
Yeah. You know,
no, well, you see, up here, when it comes to chips and them something, that there's a, you know, on the market now, anything bus or anything out there, you have to have variety. You can't have one kind anymore, you know? And my theory on that is Apple do that, you know. Yeah, Apple do that years ago. No, Apple computer, right? Years ago, Apple computer just started this thing where, like, once a product shot, you have to have whole heap of colors of the same thing. And then all these other companies start, all right, back in the, you know, a company named Coach. You know, Coach?
The name brand.
Yeah, Coach, right. One time, you know, Coach was just known for, like, just the brown color bag them, and that's it, you know. It was just bags. It was just bags, right? And then Coach was one of them now where in terms of the trending of the market where you had to diversify your products and give different color and different type and whatever. And then we see that go over in the marketplace where a lot, all right, would you believe when we grew up, bully beef, no one type of bully beef we know? Don't it? Don't you know, see, there's several type of bully beef out there now. Everything them a diversify and a change up and a gear different. So with chips right now, you have pepper chips, you have a whole heap of pepper chips out there, you know, and jalapeno chips. And when we grew up, it was just potato chips and that's it. You have cheddar chips, you have pepper chips, you have pineapple chips, you have everything now. You have 10 million versions of it. It's confusing sometimes, man.
But you ever watch the documentary on the chips thing them there? Boy, you know, so I not give to me youth them. That chips.
Yeah.
It's a very yo brother, because
I think they go too far with some of the something them with them I said. But we're not going at that right now because you know that deep. That deep. Yeah, it's heavy.
With the twins them now.
Yeah.
I kind of understand it because we have twins too, you know, and I have twins too, and them enjoy the fast car because one day one of the twins come to me and say the next twin do or something, you know.
Yeah.
And me call him and say, I try the case. I'm say, all right, me give a time out, go ahead. I shouldn't have done that. And the next one, I complain, they there with me about 2 minutes, she get up and say, me I go to the bathroom, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But something in me, I say, something in me is me follow her. You see me follow her?
Mm-hmm.
She walk past the bathroom and gone in the room and comfort the one where she complain upon, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And me just call. When me catch her, she said, no, I was just checking up on her. Me just call back the two of them in the room and say, here what? When I was 9 now or 8, me say, as of today, any problem the two of them have.
We're not get punished together.
No, work it out.
Oh, okay.
Do not come to me with any form of clash or anything. We trying to work it out. Brother, from that year, brother, they never come to me with a problem. We say, this I want to take with this I want to lick or whatever. No, me say, it's one of her work it out, because if you can come complain on her, and then you go check up on her, and it's a play, daddy, you don't want to turn daddy into tough, you don't heard that, tough thing there. You know what I heard?
Yeah, man, yeah,
you
man.
have now, two want to work it out, and they never complain, they never come back to me with nothing like that. And
Hold
you know,
on. You have 8, 9-year-olds. And you tell them, say, you don't want them ever complain to you again about anything. And your 8, 9-year-olds never ever complain to you again after that?
Never come to me with a problem like when she come to me with. When them come to me with. They will come and say, Daddy, oh, she used the phone or she didn't enjoy the phone or whatever. But never come to me with a case per se that we need to intervene with them.
Oh,
So,
okay.
And them work it out. And them work it out. I mean, the last thing, I mean, you have to go now. Me call them one day. We were about 13. I mean, it's a family meeting. But when family meeting, they run coming because they can't say anything upon family meeting. They can't say anything. And I say, tell me what about daddy you don't like. And them say, you work too much. I said, that's it? He said, yeah. So, okay. You know, Raga, I say, what about mommy you don't like? Raga is a file cabinet they pull out, you know.
Okay. Mean what? Them not like a whole heap of thing.
You understand the code? You understand the code? Is a file cabinet they pull out. I mean, if you look and you know, you see everything they say after the file.
Yeah.
I think, you know. Can we observe it, you know? Everything they say after the file.
What you mean? Them right?
Yeah, man, and I think me as a man.
So hold on. So yeah, say them the kid, your children, them have more fault with them mother than you.
Yeah, man. Cause I me beat them more. Me know so me beat and shout more than the mother. And when me say, "But mama," them pull out a file on, and everything with them say on the file. They right.
Well. Hold on. That okay. Sound to me that is because the mother spend most of the time taking care of them.
No, I did.
And your kids them spit out one long file of things that them wrong with their mother, but just one thing with you. And hold on, man. And the one thing with you is not really a bad thing. Is that you work too much, you work hard. That is the only thing your kids them find. Me not believe that. Me not believe what you asked it to.
Okay, all right. Hold on.
Hey, hold on, quick. Press your signal if you take a break. Yeah, go on. Yeah, quick.
The first thing they said to me about, they said, Mommy, don't congratulate us for nothing. The second thing they say, she's not affectionate. So, brother, you know, tell me, so you don't believe me. Me, I tell you that. Me call family, I say, me, I check myself. And me say to them, say, tell me what about that you don't like. Them say, you work too much. Me say, that's it. Because last week, maybe one of them, so me say, come on, say, you should not be, no. That them tell me. And when me say about mommy, and pull up.
Well, probably them no want to tell you nothing wrong because them no want you beat them.
No, they never afraid no, man, because it's a family beat them can't say anything without no punishment.
That not mean nothing. That them here, that but later.
No, man. Them not do it, man. Them not do it. Because why they never say, me not
hold on, let me just say it again. Do you realize you're telling me on here that when you ask your kid to speak freely, them find a whole heap of thing wrong with them mother and basically not find nothing wrong with you?
Yeah, man.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Tell that straight to me, brother.
All right, then, Papa.
All right.
Well, while I break, people, we're soon forward.
It's the Bridge 99 FM.
How you deal with?
Gonna leave.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
876-676-4996, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996. A Jamaican man up here, him say, when him come up here and I hang out with Americans, them in workplace, him end up, I pick up some talk with them have, you know? And one of the things with them have is, and and allow me some latitude here, people, right, is that they're very, they refer to women as bitch. But it's just part of them regular parlance, you know. They use bitch like it's derogatory. I think it is derogatory. But objectively, I'm just saying, enough time when them attack, them just use bitch like she or her, you know. And them be like, yo, that bitch was running, or, oh, that bitch is cute, or whatever. Like, I'm just telling her, right? I'm not endorsing it. So him say him did have that something there. So when him start dating lady now, she tell him, say, she don't like it. She don't like it. And him for stop it. And him say, it take him a while, and him stop it. But him say, she know, because she's American, you know. So him say, she know, she very often refer to him as buddy, right? You know people who use buddy a lot, you know. So him tell her, say, you know, so me not like it. Me not like when you refer to me as buddy, you know. And basically she has said, but that don't mean nothing. That don't mean nothing. And, you know, basically say him should not go on, so, you know. So him a say, nah. When me did I use bitch and whatever, and me say it don't mean nothing. So you don't really like that. I'm going to stop that. Me I tell you now as a Jamaican, like, me not comfortable with you, you know, ordinarily, like, yes, a buddy, you know. You know, like, buddy, what's a buddy, or, you know, whatever shall I use it, I think. And him kind of have a feeling like, yo, she not give him the same understanding where him did give her and thing. But apparently now she is of the opinion that there is no way you can put body and bitch in the same category. My thing with that, there is two things. The point that he's making is not that body and bitch is in the same category. I think she's focusing on a separate issue. Right? I think the issue here is there is a word where you use that I don't like it, no matter what the word is. Really. Me just bring it over upon the side with him there. So it could have been any other word, right? You know. The point is, him not like it. The point is, she never like it, and he adjusted in order to give her the respect there. So, irrespective of him being comfortable with the word and being use the word and whatever, and him knows that him no mean nothing by using the word, you know, whenever I might use it with her or however I might use it with her. The point is, what him says, me stop it. In other words, him could have tried to do the man thing and play hard and whatever and all him something, but him sure had a respect there and him stop it. So him say, yo, it don't even too matter what you think about the word. Me I tell you, so me not like it. Me not like that particular word. And but she has say, yo, you can't put bitch with body. But I think him have a point. What you say, Prezi? What you say? You think she feel let it? Like, yeah, I think him have a point, you know? I think him have a point. But, well, you know, feel free to disagree with me if you want. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. Well, the call a while ago, you know. The only thing about that, the general, I only know is a regular call and thing. And by the way, he can't take beating if he get beaten. Him know the show run. He get beaten already and he cool. Him knows the thick skin and broad back run things when Ragashanti juggle. The man saying call a family meeting. And him a talk to him kids them and thing and whatever. I ask them, you know, what kind of problem them have with him. And them say, the only problem them have with him is that him work too much. Man, same man say, what kind of problem they have with their mother and the man. I'm saying, them real out a whole heap of problem with them have with their mother. So I said to him, say, well, probably that's because the mother spend most of the time with them and you probably not spend as much, you know. Him said, nope, that's not it. And then you hear me pointedly say to him, say, to be clear, you are saying that your kids them say them have a whole heap of problem with their mother, but them basically have no problem with you. And him say, yep, that's it. I don't know. I know. What you think, Prezi? It balance? You think that's how it go? Prezi say him not think that's how it go. Right? I think some kind of explanation there. So if you know a picnic, you know? Something, I don't know. Hello, good night.
Yes, brother.
Wagwan.
Wagwan on.
There, you know. I'm going to turn up a call of them down at Jamaica there. Yeah, wagwan.
Well, I'll ask you something. You see these three ladies?
These who?
The three ladies and that talking Friday night there.
The three?
A joke.
No, man, hold on. You can't just start something on Monday and you can't. You see these three ladies? You have to, a whole heap of people are listening who never listen to show Friday, you know, so you have to remind me where you're at. But what?
The three ladies are QQ.
Elaine too cute, yeah?
Yeah. And the next lady was saying she looked like a mosquito. And the next one, Hot and Spice.
Hot and Spicy, yeah. And multi-talented.
Yeah. Is it Tracing?
How me explain this? Hold on. It's real, but it's not vindictive. It's not. Okay. It's not. They don't hate each other or anything like that. It's how the show run.
Oh, okay.
But it's real. But it's like it's real in the sense like multi-talented really one with a belief say is really our man that, and Elaine them really believe it's not our man, and multi-talented did indeed call one night and say she have 9 subjects. And when I asked her what they are, she could have only remember 3 and she couldn't remember the others. So also everything is real. But it's not like anybody hate each other or anything like that. You know?
Oh, okay.
I just saw the show run. You know, people on the show would draw a card for one another and thing or whatever.
I understand, you know.
Yeah. Is that thing with Ragashanti for a long time.
Okay.
You know, yeah.
You know me, I listen to the next talk show. A man was talking.
Eh.
The call on the grease night.
A man did that what?
I call you there.
Well, probably at the same one where Ilian, at the same show where Ilian did that talk about. Eh?
That's right.
Right. No, you're going to get more of that, you know. That's just the... Go on.
When I'm a neighbor.
Yeah.
I tell you wife, I'm going to listen to a madman and I'm boxing down.
One of your neighbor do what?
Tell him wife.
Yeah.
I think listen every time he take up the phone to listen to this madman and I'm boxing down. I have no time with him. I have time with the madman.
But so who is the madman?
You are a
You know, well, lad, you know, say from me to show Jamaica a regular thing. Regular thing and whatever, man. Once the show take off and people are listening, you always have them something there, you know. And to a mostly woman listen me, you have 2 set of man, right? Believe it or not, you know, you have one set of man, you know, who them tell them woman say, me a them man, you know. Right? So them man them secure. I famously remember when I was walking one day on Worthington Avenue, and a man like see me and wait, and I run down for me and think fly out time car and run down for me, that's me get beat me. Them time them have a license thing for me, and you know, Jamaica or whatever. And me all, you know, me all edgy and thing, and the man and him say, don't move. And the man run down for me and whatever. Me I tell us, me get boomy man come me and say, what is my law? And him say, wait, don't move. And he take out him phone and dial. And then whoever him dial, him said to her, say, me just see your husband. And your husband this, talk to your husband. And then him hand me the phone and say, talk to my wife. So him I tell him wife, him run me down excited, you know, right? Yeah. And then I tell him wife, say, me just talk to the man, you talk to your husband and give me the phone and say, talk to my wife. Now that is a man who is securing himself, right? And him knows say him wife listening to me, this is our little enjoyment, our little recreation. And him knows say it would be a great thing for him, love him wife, for talk to this radio personality who him wife love. You understand? And it's not a problem to him. So you have those type of men, but you have a next set of man now who don't like me because them woman listen me all the while. And I'll preach violence against me and thing. Fight them woman and thing. 2 cases at Chilani and thing, a man and a woman stab up and broke up thing and whatever because she listen to Ragashanti.
Okay.
Yeah, so from Jamaica days them thing they did them man, and you see the other thing when people are call at a show and a chat about me and whatever and thing. A regular thing that and that I go pick up and go on more and thing. But here's the thing now. You see when them a chat about you, things are going for you.
Yeah, more stronger.
No. Things are going. People not chat about people who them not see and nothing are going for them, you know.
That's right.
Right? People know them don't even see them. So I don't have nothing to say. But once things are going for you, you have some people who like you, and you have some other people that say, me not see what they like in a him, or me not see what they like in a R, and so. So that is just part of the game, that, you know?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. I want to tell you that the ladies, what they worry over Kevin.
I worry over Kevin, yeah.
Yeah, and Kevin must not want her. Tell him to call me, man.
Tell him to do what?
Tell him to give me a yell.
Them want, but them no want you or Kevin, them want?
No, man, you don't want Kevin, man. You know, so Kevin say block him.
Kevin say who? Kevin never say nothing.
The foreign lady, man.
Oh, she say who? Say Kevin black, Elaine too cute?
Yeah, no, cute say that.
That say Kevin Black, the one that foreign?
Yeah.
No, but she may say that, but that no means say Kevin Black her.
Okay.
Kevin, could I tell Elaine too cute say him black her and still a screechy and thing and I deal with the foreigner, because the foreigner I send him Louis Vuitton. Remember I said the foreigner buy him a Louis Vuitton loafer and all these things, you know, and thing and whatever. So when I say Kevin, could I say that still? But you sound like you want a piece of the action though, you know?
Yeah, but we're getting a piece of the action.
Oh, you want to get a piece of... Well, they are listening, you know, so Elaine too cute are listening, and the other caller them are listening and all these things, so... But you have to give yourself a radio name so that them can know who... When them call in, them can say, yo, Chuga, so what is your radio? Bull. All right, then, so we hear what them say. So ladies, Elaine too cute, and so what about Hot and Spicy? Why, she can't think you too?
No, in foot. Her shoes are too big, you know.
That's Yo, why would I beat Hot and Spicy with a size 10 foot? Why?
I like to see the feet when it's small, man.
No, but what is wrong? Is it unusual for a woman have size 10 foot?
I don't like that feet.
You know, woman foot not for too big, that you say?
No.
So hold on, you wanna there with that woman, a pretty woman who is really nice to you and is just like the greatest personality, hardworking, ambitious and thing, but you have size 10 foot. You wanna there with her?
Every time I go and look on the foot, I'm not like big foot.
You'd have to go look on the foot and you know like big foot. So you know answer me, you know. You know there with her.
I don't think I could work that big feet. You know?
No, you can't work with that size 10 foot. Okay, that is interesting. All right then, Papa, big up yourself.
This lady, what you call her, the one with the swing one there?
The what?
The one that
multi-talented, the sewing one,
yeah.
Multi-talented. What about her?
Okay. You know, her boyfriend did that say that.
Quick, you have to talk quick. Other callers there, you have to talk slow. Yeah.
Her boyfriend was talking about cute to come and join the party.
Yeah. He must say she can't come in at the thing, you know?
Yeah, tell him no want to come in at the thing.
Tell him say what?
Tell him that don't want to join the thing.
Who don't want to join the thing?
Tell him that don't want to join the tree something.
You are say him not for going at the tree something?
No, he must say cute to come join it.
Yeah, he ain't too cute for come join it. And that him say, yeah.
Yeah. He take her space.
So you will take her space?
Yeah.
But if you take her space, how would are you multi-talented than him?
No, I want to join. I want to take, but say cute to come in that place. Something that go in that space for cute.
Yeah, but him a call too cute for coming at the thing in a threesome.
Yeah.
So you are say, so when me ask you if too cute, if you no want too cute going night and you want going night, so you are going night with in the threesome then with him a multi-talented.
Right.
Okay, all right then. All right, okay, them hear you, so we see how that go, yeah?
All right.
Big up. All right, cool. Prezi, come on for the ground now, man, and run this. Prezi, what you do on the ground, Prezi? Come on. Prezi, I'm on Prezi, stop it laughing now, man, and come on for the ground. Prezi, is what me. Prezi, I want to tell you, man. Cheryl Bress, I am crying over here. Jaggard, why you? Yo, Prezi, you listen to the chat get busy. The chat get busy, Prezi. Jano. Hello. Yo. Hello.
Raga. Raga.
Yes.
What?
My day, I know. Wagwan.
Miss Long Island.
Miss. Wagwan, boo boo. Wagwan, Miss Long Island.
My dear.
Yes.
Wagwan, baby.
My day, I know, boo boo.
You know.
Yeah.
Yes, honey, bun, I'm here.
Yeah.
I have several things to point. I got a lot of pointers, but let me just make it very brief.
Well, real quick. Butterbean, big up yourself. Angela, large up money, cool. Yeah, go on, time. Mm-hmm.
The man just called him, say him want me. And then him gone to not so cute, never cute.
Yeah, but
right?
him say, boy, I'm available.
Never cute after.
Yeah, I'm available. That's the general I make you know. I'm available, man, ready.
But he can go to not very cute, because not very cute have no man, because guess what? Kevin and I are on very good terms.
Well, I know that
very
she say. And remember, say Kevin down at Jamaica with China and you up here, you know, so you don't know what is what. What o'clock a strike down there?
How do you know if I'm not in Jamaica now?
No, I'm assuming you're in Long Island now. I'm assuming you're in Long Island now. I'm assuming you're in Long Island now.
I am American citizen. I can travel, and I have my man there.
I throw what but alien too cute. Where you say she can't travel?
I'm not throwing words, but she has nothing, and her voice sounds like a duppy in the night.
Ooh.
She's selling things out of a grill, and she said she live on Beverly Hills or whatever hills.
Red Hills, not Beverly Hills. You always devious get like trouble. You always say Beverly Hills. It's Red Hills. The woman says she never ever said Beverly Hills.
The ghettos, you know. I don't know the ghettos, so I wouldn't understand.
No, ghetto upper Red Hills, but Red Hills is not known for its ghettos. Red Hills is known for having some wonderful house. It's a studio place. If you're not familiar with that part of Jamaica.
Okay, Red Hills.
Yeah.
But according to what Kevin told me, Kevin told me that she lives in a ghetto.
Okay.
And she's selling for her sister.
Right.
And everything. She said even told me that her sister and both of them, her sister is in America or some country.
Okay.
She's
okay.
Not, over there.
Right.
And she's selling for her sister and everything because Kevin is younger than she is. She's old enough. She's old and gray. So every
we
month
alien too cute, old and gray.
Gives to Kevin.
Yeah.
Old and grey and look terrible.
And when you say I like money, what she do? What she do? She get
and bleach.
No, I mean I know alien too cute as not bleach.
Okay, that's what my baby told me.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna ask her when she call back if she bleach. You know.
He said he was gonna take me up there tomorrow, but me tell him I don't really want to go up there.
You're there, Jamaica for sure. You know, say you're not easy, but you're there.
I am.
So you and Kevin link up down there? You and Kevin link up down there at Jamaica?
So why do you think I'm here? I'm here for him.
Well, that would be the reason why you went to Jamaica.
And me and Kevin get together.
Okay, so you went to Jamaica to visit your boo.
I'm in Jamaica right now.
That's right. Okay,
exactly.
Okay. So since you go down there, you're playing a Kevin Natty and all these things, don't?
Oh God, we went to the spa today.
The spa.
And it's yeah.
Damn.
We went to get a massage.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. So tomorrow we're gonna go out, and then the next day I'm leaving. I'm leaving on Wednesday.
Okay, you leave on Wednesday. So tomorrow night all shellings, for send off. Don't a whole heap of things are going tomorrow night.
Too.
Yeah, and
tonight as well.
Tonight as well. So Alien too cute could all feel some of the sensation when she did it when they want to do the thing, don't?
Okay. And he doesn't eat from her, He doesn't eat from her.
Him not eat from her?
Eat from her like that. No, he doesn't eat from women. The only woman he eats from is me when when he came up here the other day when I flew him up to Manhattan. I live on Long Island, so I flew him up to Manhattan and he came to my house and I cooked and everything, my family and my...
Right. Okay.
Him, he doesn't really eat from women.
Him not eat from, okay, just you him eat from.
Okay. No, yes.
Okay.
As far as I know.
Right.
He's my boo.
Right, I am boo.
Yes. Yeah, but I don't mind men, you understand?
Right,
but she tried to give, all her sister, But you see?
I give her sister grocery. I give her sister grocery to Kevin. I give him the sausage them and the mackerel and the bully beef and the quarter bread and the cheese crunchies and all these things and the banana chips and them something there.
And
no, okay.
He told me that all of them steal to the cheese crunchies, banana chips steal.
That is not good.
But that is not good. Better than that because him see something higher now and him used to something higher now. So I might take him time get rid of
upgrade. He might upgrade. He might have ambition. He might upgrade him thing. He might upgrade him thing. All right. He might move from coal stove to gas stove right now, auntie. He might upgrade him thing. All right.
No man, he's better than that.
All right. See it there. All right then. All right.
So tell her to hold her corners and change her name because she's not cute. Never can be cute.
It's serious. It's serious. All right. Big up yourself, yeah.
And matter of fact, if she call and say nothing, me make somebody come bust her through the grill. Come buy something and bust her through the grill.
What you mean bust her?
Understand me?
What you mean bust her?
Give her one thump through the grill.
No. We don't want to hear about nothing violent. Nothing. We don't support nothing violent. No. We say we don't do that on this show. No. We say we don't do that. That is not. We don't do that on this show. We don't open that door. So something else. Better you say make a person go. Better you say make a person. Me no know. Like, me no know. But don't. No thumping her face or nothing. But hold on. Listen to me. Listen to me. I'm going to tell you straight. If you're good like that, you don't have to thump the other woman. If you're good like that, you don't have to thump the other woman. Because them have attack at Jamaica, we're going to keep it real right, Right? I mean, I want nobody vex. People, the feminist people, I don't want to jump on my case. I just tell you what some woman say at Jamaica, right? Them the in the violence. Them say, yo, me the better hotel. We not really going on that and thing, but we just say, if you're good, you're good. You're not in the violence and thing like that. Listen to me. If you're good, listen to me. If you have this stickity, crazy glue, the affetan, you can't forget the address, something there, you don't have to do anything. Once Kevin gets some of that, him have to stand there. If you're good like that. Okay, all right?
But talk to her then. My fiance can't make me talk to her then instead of me punch her in her eye.
No, me say we don't want, hear what me say, man, you know, me say me don't want to punch it talk. But I said don't even say it for me sure. Ragashanti don't want none about no punch and the violence for the show, all right? If you're good, you're good. Okay, all right. If you're good,
me just tell her say instead of me doing that, me gonna make my fiance, me forget to tell her say we are engaged. So
you and Kevin engaged. Me don't know about that.
Yes, that's what I'm trying to tell you. We are engaged last night.
All right, me see if your shoe are gonna get flap right now. Kevin, come on the line right now. Kevin, come on the line right now. Well on, Kevin, come on the line right now. Make me see if somebody carry it then. Kevin, well on, Kevin, just come up on the line. Kevin. Kevin, just come back, but baby. Where you tell? Kevin, come for the line, man. Kevin done at Jamaica. Well, let me see if I career done right now. Kevin, just give me one. Kevin, just give me 1 second. 1 second, Kevin.
Kevin, you laugh, babe.
Where is Kevin there beside you? Kevin there beside you? Kevin there beside you?
Come on, babe. Wait, no.
Prezi, I'm dead.
Come, baby, come here. He just want, he not believe me. Come. He said I'm going to call you right back. He said I'm going to call you.
We see how that go. All right, then, cool. All right, then.
All right. He said I'm going to call you.
Yeah, we see how it go. We see how it go. But we are going to get to the, yeah, man. We are going to suss out this. All right, bless up here. Prezi love it freaky. Me say the one Prezi love it foolish. People, Prezi are dead up here. Give me a next caller. Give me a caller. Hello.
No close, Raga.
Bop. Alien too cute in the building. I want some people. Why you say alien too cute?
Me there.
Yeah. Raga. Turn her up the Kevin, make we hear her nicer. Talk to me.
Raga. How alone Kevin come on here for?
Well,
Kevin come on here for?
Well, the truth is you. Kevin, they come and talk to you. And put on a romantic voice with you and thing and all these things and whatever. That's true. That's true. When we say, yo, Kevin, come talk to you, too. Kevin never itch him. Come talk to you. Good, and all these. Yeah, no, sir, what you do? You kill that. No, you just done somebody career. No.
I'm not going no further with that.
Yo, man, done.
Kevin and get
life you tell like L.A. Lewis about the queen.
As when me talk to Friday, me now war over Kevin because me meet Kevin as a star and him always going to be a star. So she can't go and kill up herself over Kevin.
Yeah.
Kevin is mine.
All yours and thing and what. But yeah, but you know, what about the brother who call and say, boy, he want a threesome and Bull.
All right, Kevin me say no. Okay. One man to my team.
Yeah. One man to
Kevin to the world.
Kevin to the world. And no, but what you think about what Bull say when them say, boy, you know, like with multi-talented and our man, you know, Bull say him with that, roll up with that trees with them. What you think about that talk?
Well, if him want do it, him good. Me and no girl now do not cheese with Kevin.
Okay, not even Miss Long Island and things. She not get none of him.
Miss Long Island.
Okay, none.
And them girl there, we are peace and love ring.
What?
We are diamond ring.
What is peace and love ring?
Peace and love.
How about a popcorn ring?
What you say? a peace and love, a diamond me wear.
Diamond you wear, okay, that's your thing there. And
And
a
a
little
be
piano.
like she come on and I talk about Kevin. One to the girl, oh, she's so possessed over my man.
Obsessed with him, dog.
Man.
Obsessed
and
with
me
him.
Come and come talk of the things them about my man and then she run in. What happened to you, Miss Long Island?
I true, you know, you did really talk about him first, you know, and thing, you know, and then she come in and I say, I fear man and all these things, you know, yeah.
I want to Miss Long Island.
No, but why she in a thing with Kevin and you know, and I true she hear you come on and I talk, make sure I say, no, but me I forgot answer that woman here, she brighty, but you know, so me I say she just respond to you. Eh?
And the black what Kevin gear, you know, and that sort of, no, you know, so Ragashanti for real, me no tell Kevin stuff, we just go and talk to her because it look like she suicidal or she insane or them something. Why she not leave Kevin alone?
The lady said she there at Jamaica with Kevin and Kevin there right beside her.
Jamaica, light, so why Kevin never talk?
Then in a year she call and I tell Kevin, say, come now, come now, come now, come now, baby, come now, baby.
Kevin don't work. Kevin don't work. She talk about Kevin not eat from me. If she ever know what me cook the Kevin this evening.
And what's up?
Curry kong.
Curry what?
Curry kong.
Brat, 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 brat.
Food.
Brat, 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 brat. She probably can't even cook, no.
She can't cook. But Kevin not eat from me. Kevin leave my house, our house, not my house, our house.
I like that unity there. I like that unity there, the hour there. You talk about we. You talk about we. I like that unity there. It sound progressive, you know? Yeah. You talk about we. We not grow together, we not build together.
You talk about she and Kevin engaged me 4 months pregnant.
What? Well, I'm the idiot too cute. Kevin push out the navel. Kevin push out the navel. Yo! Kevin push out the navel. I want him to be Slang Island. See the bigger things are going down. Navel push out and bigger things. I want him to be slady over there, sir. No, sir. I want Kevin round up his belly and thing. Push out the navel and thing. Listen to me, the thing serious, you know. 4 months. You all pass a critical 3 months. So you know, so when you reach 4 months, you think set, you know. You think set, you know. See it there? No, sir. I kill your killer. I carry you done right away, right? Yes, I don't call you.
Come now. Me see one talk, you talk, and say Kevin come say something to Ilian and Kevin fly up.
Right away. Right away. Right away.
Long time.
What would a boy or a girl?
Me just want to surprise him.
You just want to surprise him. But if a girl, what the name? Or if a boy, what the name? Eh?
You know, I say we not plan that, but by Wednesday, me tell you.
By Wednesday, you will tell. All right, by Wednesday, we want to hear the name. If a boy, if I want to look at something like that, I say, oh, Kevin Jr., and if a girl, like Kevin Isha. We don't want to hear them something there, you know. Okay, we want something. We want something.
No, man. So, let's best up on yourself. Look at it, Raga.
All right, then. Big up yourself. Alien too cute and your 4 months belly here. Them for no.
Yes, my love.
I want him to that. Wait, Kevin ever rub a belly yet and sing to baby and them something?
Only for time. Before I leave work, he put me head right on my belly.
Jesus and peace.
Yeah. Right on my belly and put
me head. That is just so cute. Oh my God, OMG. Yeah, I saw the thing. Then no eat. All right, then big up. Yo. Diane Barnaby Walter, congratulations. Yo, Ilya too cute. I get the congratulations and thing. I miss Long Island now I get none. All the things said, boy, I don't want Kevin sneaking in, push out the navel and just chill and think or whatever like a general. Yo, 876-676-4996, 876-676-4996. Greetings in the night, yeah. Hello. Hello, yeah.
Hello, good night, Raga.
Good night.
Memories don't live like people do. She live off of memories. I'm a friend that live the life. My friend that live the life, Raga. Memories that kill she.
See it
I
there.
warm to her.
See it there.
You're a godmother. I'm a godmother.
Are you the godmother? Are you going to be the godmother?
Anna.
Yes. And the maid Anna, some marriage I going to run to. Listen to me now, man. Listen to me now, man. Godmother and maid Anna. Mind, are you give yourself them stripe there, you know, and she now say them something.
Hi. All day today, me and two cute attack.
Okay.
All day today, me and cute attack. I want to see.
Okay, so
feel like,
well, so the pregnancy, because when you know sometimes woman pregnant and eat all some strange something and thing. And what she get money? The pregnancy.
Yes, she have morning sickness and she feels a lot of things and you don't know.
Well, she have morning sickness and she feel for a lot of what?
Things. She just want Guinea, and make sure she get Guinea.
Oh, Guinea.
She want Aki.
Yeah.
Guinea. She want Aki.
Yeah.
So I make sure I some Aki and I send go and whatever she tell me, she want me make sure get it.
Yeah, Aki and Guinea and thing. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not a baby. I'm not a baby to mark.
You know, explain that again. If the baby mark.
I don't want the baby to mark. I don't want the baby coming no mark.
No, explain how what will cause the baby to mark. What?
All right, like I said, she feels it and she not get it and she put her hand on her face and she scratch any part on her body.
Oh, I saw the baby get marked.
When
the woman pregnant and she feel for something and she don't get what she feel for, and then if she go scratch anywhere on her body, at this I go mark on the baby down.
Right.
Jesus.
So me no want Kevin one baby to mark up.
Okay, then tell me something now. That good pregnancy with a superstar like Kevin and all them something you know. And a Guinea she feel for one Guinea baby.
Woman feel for anything when they're pregnant.
No, but Guinea.
Pregnant, they feel for anything. Of course.
I never hear about Guinea.
Raga, me know woman when they're pregnant eat fall doodle. I want to see how them feel for.
You know woman when they're pregnant them eat what?
Fall doodle. You know the yard fall them?
Yeah.
There, Miss woman eat that fall doodle.
No man, hold on. Listen to me. When woman pregnant and them eat strange thing is because them already aware of the thing and feel it, right? I am assuming this woman never did eat fall doodle before she pregnant. So all you ever tell me about the woman pregnant and feel for fall doodle and eat fall doodle and thing.
Brother,
me never hear nothing say it. What?
Aye, the woman said she feels for the fall doodle and the woman go take up the dry fall doodle and eat it. I want to see when woman pregnant they feel for anything and they crave for egg and everything.
No, see somebody put dirt. Me know about dirt and them something that people pick from picnic when people eat dirt when foul doodle.
Anything.
Foul doodle.
Rather the dry fall doodle. Remember the yard fall.
What you mean the dry fall doodle? Oh, so it have a dry, so it have a kind of crunchy little bit, no?
Yeah. Anything.
Yeah, so it have a crunchy like a little ashes thing to it, don't like a asham thing to it. Okay.
Right.
And what you said to me? Woman need foul doodle.
Of course.
Jeez and peace. And what you said to me? I never know.
I don't make up story. I tell you what me see. I tell you what me know.
John, no.
Dirt, anything them feel for them eat it. As long as them can get it.
Never hear that at all. Me never hear that one there before.
Me not ask them, me not make up story. And I make up story me again, brother. I tell you what me know.
Okay.
Tell you what me tell me to I am safe.
Okay.
And thank God to Jesus, me no competition with Prezi. Thank God to Jesus, me a Prezi to myself. Holy and holy.
Okay.
No competition. No competition.
But then people can, if a woman want president can lick where your foot easy.
When?
Well, no, let me take that back. Because them probably can lick where your foot easy because them a beat you about your size 10 there.
Yeah, I'm proud of my size 10. Them can't lick where my foot so
yeah, no, them not can't lick where your foot so your foot firm and sturdy and Gideon and thing. I know one easy thing for lick where a size 10 foot and whatever and thing. That one that turn up. But what you think about these men now who are say, boy, Because Friday a man call in and it's sweet. I be laughing him the pan boy your size ten.
You know, so me the outside for me phone and talk to my cousin when they go inside, my son tell me, you know. Me say, Jesus.
Yeah, man, one man call in and I be laughing him the pan, but him say, when you talk about the size 10, him say, when you talk about the size 10, him say that one day, oh, I sneeze so all of a sudden, man. I want... No, sir.
No, man, you need to go. You need to go warm, brother.
No, hold on. 1 second. 1 second. Because I need to turn my roll sheet. 1 second. Hold on.
Prezi, get up and spin the roll to Prezi. Prezi, get up. Hi, tell Prezi get up. Let's spin up on Prezi.
Hold on, man. Hold on. No, I just turn my roll 3 times in a car.
So, where turn the roll on Prezi for?
Me not turn my roll. No, dress up your talk, dress up that talk there.
No, but you can't,
B, and you have to articulate your words clearly because a while ago it sounded like you have a roll palm Prezi, so it don't even sound too right. Right.
The rain has fallen.
Yeah.
The rain is falling.
Yeah.
So you listen to what I said clearly.
Yeah.
I said,
I never turn my roll. Prezi in the engineer room and me alone in a studio over here, so I'm turn my roll and drop off a crosses. Is that my mother teach me, right? Because too much, my mother say any cobweb come from me, I don't know where cobweb come from. Any of me start sneeze, and thing and whatever, you must turn your roll 3 times and make sure you turn to the left 3 times and ease off no crosses because you're not carrying.
Judgment in the rain, your Father God.
God, whatever them said for me, I'm not carrying it home with me and leaving it right here. Right in the studio. Make DJ Raya and somebody else come pick it up, or Dubmaster Chris or Killer Boo. It's not coming home with me. It's staying right here. Them lucky. I don't have a cananga water upon me. I'm a leaf of life to here. A murder. We're leaving.
But a long time, I see cananga water still, you know.
No, but tell me something, man. Back to your foot. I want to go and make them a beat about your size 10, so.
Me don't know what I'm going to feet. Father God give it to me.
You don't feel no way about it, say your foot a size 10, no?
No. For reason. Father God give me when me can manage. Father God sister that.
But all you feel, say you never one day yet experience a pleasure there like a man a kiss your toe them and them something there and whatever. What? Why
you assume that?
No, I just assume so you never get the pleasure of that experience there yet.
I don't assume nothing. Don't assume nothing wrong.
What?
Don't assume nothing wrong.
No, but you not answer. You just said don't assume.
I've been there and done that. I've been there and done that. I'm a graduate.
What? Wait. Them kiss you two of them and thing and kiss them and them something and suck off your two of them and them.
Of course.
Okay,
I don't care dirty toe. I don't care dirty toe. I don't care Japanese language heel back.
You not carry what Japanese language heel back?
Exactly.
Yo, I'm not even gonna ask you what that means, cause
Raga. Remember say we don't understand Japanese language, you know. And sometimes you see some girl or some crack pan and heel back like a Japanese.
Okay, look like two the language look how the Japanese and Chinese language like it mark up and you know them. What only not easy, you know. So tell me something now. What you think about Bull? Bull call in and say more and jump in with multi-talented and our man in our threesome. What you think about?
Yes, them fit. The three of them fit. Bull, multi-talented and our man fit. The three of them fit, Raga. The three of them fit. So he's supposed to go on anyway multi-talented right now rain and fall. Then can go and go do it.
Okay. Yeah. All right then.
She come jump up and come talk about man. Man no own her up because for me, Raga, me go and like me a stretch and give my hand back. Whoop, the phone a drop out of him hand instantly.
When him did itch and go say, so she said, no.
Yeah, me go like me a stretch and
you go like you stretch and whatever and give me a hand back and make him understand himself, say.
Of course. Because probably a facial pay that them man if you come and say, tell him say, yeah, my money, no. Never call him, you know. And you go say, yeah, my money, yeah?
Oh, God. Then that wouldn't mean say terrible for multi-talented, right? Because I look like say you're right. Then when you say man done for her, if she have to pay a man for come on radio and say, him or man done.
Yeah, brother, from Friday night, I sung, I say, Father God, if me wrong, forgive me. But me know say at that go, I just tell myself I she pay the young boy.
Hold on, stop right there, sir. Lola A. Reed, per online, she said, if a real cricket shot here. Yes, Lola. Anytime Atan Spicy call, at the bullfrog them that run her. Me they think a cricket too, but them say a bullfrog. A bullfrog I make them sound right?
Yes, brother, they look two of them.
They look two of them and thing. And then she explained, said the reason why she have to call from outside, because I draw up about it one night, yeah, and she said it's because inside a fear house, our phone don't pick up. So we're not able to hear her. So anytime she use the phone, she have to come outside. But which part she come outside, enough bullfrog always there. And probably them a listen to show to and thing, and she and them can't talk and whatever. So our brethren them and sister in them. So anytime she attack them always in a one bag of conversation back her. So it's a really, really, and in case you don't know Lola, she's calling from a place named Maryland, which is up like Garden Town side, you know, Irish Town side, top side, popping up in the hills up there so and things. So the air up there is fresh. There's a lot of foliage, a lot of trees and things. Nice little place up there and whatever. So the populace of bullfrogs there is quite substantial. And them come out at night time and them love fast and inquisitive too and then love a mix up too. So anytime she up on the phone and them that back at her, you know, I give a commentary.
I know back at me then in the front of me, but I don't really see them in the brother.
What you say bullfrog in your front?
They're right in front of me out there, so.
In front of you. Oh, okay.
In front of me, let me say them the brother.
In front.
Brother, listen to me.
No, me never hear.
Rain a fall.
Yes.
Rain a fall, and when me stand up, me can go exactly where out. So listen to what I'm saying, brother.
Okay.
Right in front of me, brother. So nobody contact the bullfrog in me from me present, nobody want it.
No, but me just never keep right. So like how close in front of you them?
Me never go turn on the phone light to see how close.
Oh, so which part of the dark?
Exactly.
Okay.
The outside is dark.
Okay. So which part? So like in your house now where you can't pick up a thing, is your house like a cave? Like a cave?
No, brother, no. No. No, because I live down in the valley. No, I live down in the valley.
No.
I don't live in no cave.
No.
I live down in the valley near to the river.
Okay.
I live down in the valley
near
to the river.
So when you say down in the valley, you have to go down at your place, right? So like you have to go down in our hole, like, right?
I no hole, me just come down. When me I go road, me have to go back up the hill, to go up a road.
Okay. No, to them just sounds so plentiful around you. I wonder what the environment is like because
because they come out at night time. They come out at night time and work on the time cold rain and fall, them come out plenty.
Right. Then come out and not glisten with the rain and all these things or whatever.
Exactly.
You know? No, because them sound like a choir tonight when I lie. Them sound very much like a choir.
Wait.
Yes.
See one the pass on black on the have right here. I say him so loud.
All right, put the phone near the loud one and make us see if we can hear him look louder. What? Lord Jesus, our phone got hang up. The bullfrog hang up a phone. Oh, what? Oh, okay, right here.
Huh? Yeah, brother?
No, because like they cut out. Yeah.
No, because I step out in the area and it's like him see me, so him stop the knife.
Okay. No, when you go too near them kind of ease off sometime, you know. Okay.
Exactly. That's what happened. Go near him and him see me.
Okay.
And see my presence and cut down him knife.
Okay. All right, then I think. But me like how them lively do and thing, you know, because anytime you come out, them rally around you and thing, and you know, and them just get festive and all these things or whatever, you know, me like them, you know.
Exactly. I like how president know them. Me not pay no fee for president. Me not buy no ticket for president to come to Jamaica. President, if buy my own ticket to come down, come know them.
Right.
Because me not buy no ticket for president live off memories.
Oh, okay. I throw a word for Miss Lady there, though.
Of course, she not because she buy ticket and fly up Kevin and and she live off memories.
Okay.
So when president come to Jamaica, president buy my own ticket.
So tell me something, them bullfrog, them most of them are PNP or JLP. What? But just cute, eh?
Brother.
Eh?
You see this little surrounding here?
Yeah.
A labor right zone.
The whole area, they are labor right area, right?
Exactly. So couldn't expect.
So no PNP bullfrog can't up this right then, because I would have war, no?
Exactly.
So be a prosperity bullfrog right here, right now, don't it?
Exactly.
Be a labor right bullfrog, don't be a JLP bullfrog. Okay. And them say green, don't.
Exactly.
Be a Brogard bullfrog, okay.
Exactly.
Be a Brogard bullfrog. Straight labor right bullfrog them.
Yeah, but you expect say the local era a be a labor right. So you expect PNP to
No, me never know. That's why me ask how you educate me. Me that wonder if some PNP bullfrog they in there and thing like whatever. You know, like some Lisa and a bullfrog also and thing. But you say I be a labor right bullfrog up there.
Be a labor right.
Be a green. No orange bullfrog too.
No orange bullfrog.
Straight JLP bullfrog.
Right?
That's how the thing. Right? No confusion.
No confusion, right? So, Miss Lady, leave me good up friend alone.
Yeah, and she will stop pay. Okay.
Up a Red Hill, and you live a Long Island wherever you want to live. Like, go and live off of memories. When you go back up, just call it a day. Call it a day, just make sure no say, yes, I just said done. Whatever Kevin deal, take it, keep it, and make it satisfy you the rest of your life.
See it there. So you just tell her if you just kind of maintain her bona woman status and easy and just don't even too pass her place with it, don't.
Exactly. Because I said I'm member and baby close up a foreign. So she's supposed to pack a barrel and send come her suitcase and baby things.
Okay. All right.
Might be a nice stepmother.
All right then. But okay then big up and then respect for send the guinea them over there to Elaine too cute with the 4 months belly, yeah? Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Always, man. Always.
All right. Now say a word, man. All right, then. Blessing.
Blessing, my friend.
All right. Hot and spicy. Hot and spicy with the labor right bullfrog, them and thing. All right, what you ride? We're going to break with some forward.
This is Zion Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
Back it up. Oh, yeah, run it.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
All right. Somebody post online, them a beat. It look like that person a beat Miss Long Island, you know, cause person I say, yo, pregnancy override engagement. Kevin, you know, you know what you say, yo, pregnancy override engagement, you know. So it's like engagement a big thing. Yeah. Well, I don't know. Yeah, you know, some people may think who get the ring. But somebody may say, no, but who make baby sing. Yeah. Yeah, I know who get the ring, who make baby sing, don't. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. You're in tune to Ragashanti live on the Bridge 99 FM. To the phone lines we go. Good night. Hello.
Good night, sir.
Yes, Robert. Yeah, wagwan. Up, Robert. That's why you say energy.
Energy, we are dealing with that.
No, me there you do the show. Yeah.
Why, I be a rain down, my friend.
Yes, me I say Ian a piss pounder down there, man.
I tell you, rain fall till today when I come home, I have to take off all my shoes, my boss.
What, you have to take off your shoes? Why you take off your shoes?
Be water like foolish.
No, but that is dangerous. If you're walking in the water, if you keep on your shoes, you don't know where you're going to step on.
Nobody, I just see pan. I want pan. It's like a pan of water come. It's a pan for the water. Just through the river rain fall.
Yeah.
Everything just come over in the road. But we come over good,
no,
man.
No, but I understand that. But when I say if you dip on the road and walk, right?
Yeah.
And the place a flood, you don't think it is safer for you to keep on your shoes than a walk out on the road, on the street or whatever, take off your shoes and walk in the water there.
Well, remember, say the water out there, the road, you know, I mean, my boot, I go wet up, so I have to take it off.
So all right, let me ask you something now. So I protect your boot, no?
Not really. But it all wet up, you know, the water at the high.
Yeah, but you don't want it high, but you don't want the boot go soak, right? No, you know what? Let me back up because sometimes, you know, Sir Robert, sometime, you know, one time me go back to Jamaica, I talk to some youth from a community. One community where I used to live in Augustown. And one of them, he might complain about the work and he might complain about him boss and he might say, John, me hate the work and whatever, this and that. And I'm there listening. And then a statement that's fly out of my mouth. I'm going to say, so if you hate your job so much, why you don't leave? And you know, so as soon as I said this statement, I realize the mistake what I make. Because when me there Jamaica, when you have a work, it's like you get a work. It don't matter if you cuss about your work. I hear work that because I just saw Jamaica run. No. And I come a foreign now and things get look better for me. And think me going on there with my bright self. But if you don't like the job, why don't you leave it and think? But it's a two different cultural setting. You follow what I say? Yeah, so me can't come up here and have certain experiences where things get better for me and go down there now and then go forget the Jamaican reality. When me there Jamaica, me get all a sight work and you eat the work. You still go work because I just saw it run. You have to go work and think you're lucky when you have a work at Jamaica. And I tell a man about, well, if you don't like the job, why you don't leave it and go to something else and things like that. I have to check myself, man. So, you see, you know, if you have a pair of shoes where you know want if you go step and walk in the water with it and thing and you go take off your shoes. I probably are your reality that when me have to respect and understand. Because remember, you know, when we are grew up, you know, and you have a one shoes or your good shoes and what, hey, not necessarily are your good shirt, you know, your good, hey, we did have a saying, you know, true, we don't have the whole heap of clothes. When you grow up, you know, you have your going out shirt, you know, that different. Robert, you know about that something there? Like, you don't have no whole heap of clothes, but you have a one shirt or a one pants. So you say, are you going out shirt, that are you going out pants, are you going out shoes? Because you don't have it like that. And you treasure them there, because them they're special. When you put on them there, you walk different, like you're in the Matrix. You walk in a slow motion or whatever. You don't want nobody come near to you or whatever. Come touch your good clothes where you want to wear, go your school barbecue and thing, because you don't have no more. So, big up yourself and protect your shoes, yeah, my brother. Sorry, my apology. My apology.
No, man. Everything good, man. Hey, how you going, Raga? You know, say, you have to go. You see me, yeah, what I rain, you know, we have to go work, you know.
See it there, see it there.
You know, say, we nobody now give we nothing. So, you know, why me push out this man to go for the work. You don't know, say, we have to go for the hustling. And you know, me that youth, me like
no, you're a hard working man. You're a hard one thing with you. You're a hard
nah, make no man tell me, say, yo, you are work with China. You are going now. You see, I work with China. If you skill, you can save money, man. You see me, I deal it?
Okay. Me see why you
work with China. No, make no man tell you, say, boy, you can't see. It's just some people just don't want to work.
Okay.
That's so much crime in the world.
Right. Some people know what. When you say some people don't want to work, they want the easy money, don't?
Yeah, the easy money and the cash and the scamming and then thing. That's why Jamaica mash up, so brother.
Oh, the scamming mash up Jamaica and the people them who want the easy money and thing, don't it?
Right.
Okay.
I mean, look how much people that jail. Me not go jail. Me no want go jail because jail after the ground you have to sleep.
Well, yeah. Me know about that something.
Me don't want them to think they meet me. You see what I say?
A 3 jail me going to Jamaica and them not pretty.
You know, pretty me better right now. See all my man look all for cartel. Him in a jail whole long.
Yeah, cartel.
You know him not come out for long. And he got appeal and he appeal lose because he queen dead. So him can't come out for long.
Well, when you just say a while ago about the appeal.
The appeal where you say him not lose it. No lose it.
Why? Because the queen dead?
So they must say the queen dead and them lose it. So what people are say. So
Hold on. Was there an announcement recent? Because I know he was appealing to the Privy Council. So you hear anything for the cartel lose the appeal to the Privy Council?
No, hear so personal time. I don't know what it is. So.
Okay. Hold on. Are you saying that him lose it because the queen dead?
No, not me.
Oh, well, so some people say, through the queen dead, some people are saying, look like cartel or lose their appeal because the queen did for boss him.
Yeah, that they're saying. Yeah.
Well, I don't really saw it work, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, is the Queen's Court, because Jamaica still have that foolishness then where you see up here, when time you get charged or whatever, them call it the prosecution, right?
Yeah.
Right? So it's like the district attorney or whatever, or whatever, them call it the prosecution. In a Jamaica, at the Queen's Court, so still the Queen's Court in a Jamaica till today, you know that? Right? Them call it the crown, And you know why them call it the crown, right? Them not say prosecution, them say the crown. And because Jamaica still under Queen and even all them food. So they still wear them white sitting there in Jamaica?
Oh.
The white wig sitting there, them still wear it, no?
Yeah, me know, yeah, man.
Yeah. And when time them turn like them, if all put on them black sitting there, no judge alone wear them, they still keep on them foolishness they down there and all them something there and whatever. But just so you know, though, it's when time them appeal to the Privy Council, other people do it. Even though it's the Crown and at the Queen's Court, the royal family have nothing to do with it. So King Charles, Lizzie were dead one year, and her son King Charles, them not go get involved in a cartel case. And some other people over there go deal with it. Yeah?
Okay.
So to the best of my knowledge, they have not ruled on that. There hasn't been the court. The Privy Council has not yet ruled on it, and usually with them something that them take years and them take long, because of the backlog. You understand? So me don't know. Kevin, you never hear nothing about ruling. No, sir, that's what I announce and everybody know. But what you say about cartel? How which year cartel it going? How which year cartel it get locked up? How which year?
No, from 2012, man.
2012?
2012,
Somebody soon post it. The last time, with the lizard something, right? 2012?
2012, man.
You sure not before 2012?
Yeah. No, man, 2012, man. When 2012, me I listen everything by RFM, man, and Muta, man. I see next night, them play a whole heap of cartel song.
Oh.
Them play cartel straight back till the next morning.
No, them say 2011. Somebody say 2011. So you were close enough.
2011?
Well, I don't know. So either you or them. Somebody said 2011.
When I asked you, between 2011 and 2012.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 11 years now, the teacher under the Gideon.
11 years the man died. So
okay.
Go on, and the man will kill the people down at Clarendon and get 60 years.
How much years he get?
60 years.
60?
Yeah, man.
Well, which one that? The
one up at Clarendon where they kill the little baby man, the 1 month-old baby.
And the one where kill the pit and the mother?
Yes, man, he get 60 years.
60 years he get?
60 years he get.
Backside in Nasty Road again.
He get it. Friday gone and get it.
Friday gone at 60 years him get. Me never did here. We're too much so busy. At 60 years him get.
60 years him get, man.
Right, you know, so him going to end up find a man in a prison, you know, for deal with.
I mean, no, Raga, what you know, what go on and on. What you will feel the fight. They say we two, somewhere we two, a licky.
Okay.
Licky. You will go on over Raga. We know what. Yes, that's why it's too much. That's why sometimes me.
What you mean by the licky? I said them the two licky.
Some of them, all right. You're in kill the woman for. In kill the woman just to in business. And you are going. You wait when the woman asleep. You cut the woman throat and cut the little 1-year-old picnic throat. What kind of thing is that? I don't like them style. When the woman I tell me my skin go crawl, brother.
Yeah. No, John, no, violate for real.
Judge no star. Remember I said the father said, suffer the little children come unto me.
And forgive
them
not for such is the kingdom of
like
heaven.
That, man. You could have been a nurse or a doctor or police or anything, man.
Yeah.
No, man, I wicked this. I should have get 70 years.
I get 10 should I get 10 more upon it, though.
10 more upon it. Yeah, them two wicked, man.
So why if him appeal and thing and get through? How you feel about that if him go up for the appeal?
You man, Hindi come and mash up everything right. I know you can't suppose a man come in your house, broke in your house. I kill him. Them a come like you don't because Hindi come and take over everything.
Hindi come?
Hindi come and hit and mash up your business.
No, but I think what Hindi come does do, is that you have a lot of police officers, them do them job and them do them job well. And I think what Indicom was formed for is like you have some police officer will make it bad for the other one them because them engage in all kind of, corruption and things. So I think Indicom supposed to, kind of hold those police officers accountable. So, but what kind of problem you have with Indicom? What problem you have with it?
If a man come in your house, you can't kill you. You make a man have kill you. And you end up God ever kill you. So
but I think, hold on, no man, Indicom just investigate the police, Indicom now go investigate you and them something there, You never know that.
It's tough still, Raga, man. That's why I keep on the right side, no, Raga.
Keep on the right side.
No man tell me, no man can press the button and say, oh, we are going on the Raga, me work for every little thing I want,
See it there.
Me hard work, me work for me, me not thief, me not no criminal.
See it there.
So anything with the Father bless me with him, if me not plan to buy no car, me not forget no car, but me walk my foot until like kingdom come. But me not go over the boundary.
BMW you drive, better man walking. Okay. Yeah, big man walking. Yeah.
I come walk and come in cross the water and out up my clothes and come then come up and wash you out.
Oh, well, Robert. Them said the prosecutor them recommended 60 years. But he will be sentenced on October 20th. But them recommend 60 years. So October 20th you go here if the court actually give him the 60 years. Here?
Oh, okay.
That somebody just explained. But so you're on track. It's just that it's not set yet, That's what them recommend. So the judge go and engage and in the deliberate. When the prosecution recommend, the judge can end up giving him lower, but the judge can give him more too,
Oh.
Yeah,
okay,
it's just that the prosecution recommend to the judge. But the judge, the way it works now, the judge can end up give them less, or the judge can say no. This matter is egregious to a significant degree, and I know the prosecution recommended 60, but given how depraved an act this was, and so forth, and some judge love to send message to the society and all them, so him can't get all 100 years if him no mind sharp here.
Oh.
Yes.
But you know, if you look into you see, Raga, from your day out of Jamaica, you have to do your local show. Look how you out here, you entertain the people.
Yeah.
Nobody here you say you're involved in a wrongdoing. And we like how you entertain the people with a show, because this show make people come on the show, you talk and express yourself.
So when me did I do my show at Jamaica, you never hear some in any wrongdoing?
No, man, because you're not really them the thing there. You're not big man, we're not pass through the wrong.
No, but you know, so them they talk up a whole heap of something about me when I go so.
Yeah, me hear them say certain things. Even when I listen up on news talking, I land there upon radio.
No, man, let me tell you some things when they say about me. Then claim say, me didn't marry at Jamaica and me left a woman and me win lotto and go there with go married one white woman. You never hear that one there?
No, me never. You are just a tell
me. Yeah, that was one of them. There was next one where them did that talk about say, me a smoke a ganja from Colombia, one sitting in and go fast boat and what. You never hear that one there?
No, you just a tell me about.
All right, then one next one now, it did Stinker Road say, me and Portia sat, me and Sister P do the things them say, me a put it on Sister P. You never hear say me make Sister P talking in tongues.
Your business that me boss, yeah, tell me.
Hold on, no, stop right there, Sir Robert.
Yeah.
Robert, hold on, Robert. Me tell you the first one, and you say you never hear that one, there, right?
Yeah.
Me tell you this. Hold on, man. Me tell you the first one, right? And you say you never hear that one, them, right? Me tell you the second one about drugs and whatever, and you say you never hear that one, there. Then when me tell you about the one with Sister P. You say, your business that's in a Raga. No, but Robert, you go and like say, you believe the one about Sister P. Say me and Sister P. I sort out and my business that. Robert, what you ask about me? What you ask me and Sister P did I sort out? So why me and Sister P I sort out? You know, see your Sister P strong and run go around stadium and thing and her body look good or whatever. Why Sister P want to run something upon me?
Hold on, no.
Eh?
You hear when me talk to?
What? No, man, talking on phone because you go and like say, oh, some Sister P want run it for me. Oh, Sister P want, you know, say Sister P fit and run go around the stadium, man. If Sister P want run it for me, I'm going to take it away.
They make you ignorant to say so.
No, but you go and like say, you want to come screech upon man and whatever like that. But your business that,
no,
like you said, you believe it when you say about what me say about Sister P. What wrong with Sister P? Dog, you never see your Sister P, them legs, them long and look nice and thing. You never see that yet. And that me I tell you. And that me I tell you. Yo, and you know if me and Sister P are work and things, she go ball out, she go say, no show, come ready.
Hold on.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, you know?
What?
I'm waiting now go on for the show, yeah?
Who?
Them me no hear at as far she say waiting now go on. And then me hear Kevin and my woman I say, him and Kevin come down and in the Jamaica, this Long Island.
Well,
me here for a while. Too cute, I go have baby.
Yeah.
And my say belly swell up already.
What? The belly swell? You know, say belly got... No, but you have 4 months belly when I swell, you know, so we don't know the belly look, but never push out.
But me I support the two side there, you know.
Which side? What you mean you support two side? You're Panama shit? You're Panama shit? What you support two side for? No, but you can't support two side. Pick a side. No. Which side is it?
No, me I support too cute and me I support at spicy.
Oh, you support for them side. Oh, okay. Me see what you say.
Them are my friend, I don't go with there and she up there.
Okay, so you I miss Long Island up here, so you support your Jamaican woman them.
I want to Long Island.
I want to ask, what you think about her?
You know, something wrong with her, like till I go drink a jelly, man.
What you say, Miss Long Island, for go to Robert? What you say?
Drink a jelly.
Go drink. I'm going to wash her out. No. I'm going to wash her for her out. No, you're going to wash her.
And get fresh again and come again.
You're going to wash her. Miss Long Island, Robert, so go drink a jelly and wash her out.
Yeah, man. Until I say, we not this no woman say, but till I say, go drink with some lime. Throw some lime in it. Tell her to put some lime in it.
Put some lime in it. All right, let me take a last call before I cut that.
So you big up yourself. Tell two kids.
Oh, well, Okay. All right, then, cool. So, Robert, what you think about Bull? Bull same wine and threesome with multi-talented and our man. What you think about that?
Multi-talented.
You never hear Bull? You never hear the call from Bull?
Me just wake up look while I hear.
Okay. You never hear one man call. Remember, multi-talented it call with one man, which is our man one Friday night. You never listen Friday night?
No, me drop asleep me a long time. Me no call it sure no, my friend.
Okay. Multi-talented it call with one man Friday night. She get one man. Yes, she have one man and the man and she tell you she go boom it off and say she naked and she go boom it off and all. I be a thing, you miss the show Friday.
And a multi-talented man that a burn.
What you mean a she borrow him? What you mean multi-talented can?
Multi-talented no man.
What you mean?
Any man in Burn, I care back in next morning.
Jesus have mercy. What you mean? So she can't have a walla man?
Not at all. I'm no man no multi-talented no have no man. You want borrow a man?
No, because at all spicy I say she pay the man for come and read and say her man.
Well, me no know no PMP. My borrow she borrow.
A borrow man she have some multi-talented hype with borrow man down. She don't have her own man.
Multi-talented no man.
No man. Yeah, no man multi-talented.
Multi-talented want a man like me.
What you mean? What a man like you? Why you would do? What you do for her?
Then me should have a good man.
If multi-talented have you should have a good man. But Robert, you know you're multi-talented, so she shape like Miss Kitty. You can't manage them woman there, Robert. You don't have them skill there. Robert, you don't have them skill there. Multi-talented, so she shape like Miss Kitty. She shape exactly like Miss Kitty. Multi-talented, so she shape exactly like Miss Kitty. Robert, you don't know if you deal with them work there. You don't know if you deal with... What?
Me a call Wednesday night until I say no go so.
All right then, we'll see how it go there. But you can't manage them body woman, the Robert. You don't have them skill there. You don't know the road code. You don't know the road code for deal with them skill there, whatever this and that. No, you don't know somebody like that. Reel up on you, man. You bum off of them, man. You don't know for brace and collar them and all them something. And put it on and send on the strength of Robert. Robert, you can't manage it. Robert, listen to me. Robert. With a body like Miss Kitty, where you think of Jacks, them are going to play a hopscotch. You think of Baby Sup, you think of 1, 2, 3 red light. You think of 1, 2, 3 light. Listen to me, man. You think of 1, 2, 3 red light. Try no say a bull in the pen. A bull in the pen. Say what? What?
Make a hook up with multi-talented Wednesday night I come.
Yeah.
I'm sure me can mash on the show.
Mash her up to until you can deal with it now.
Tell her if we can hook up and show her say, right? Tell her say she will look at her own a man.
Yeah.
A man.
A barrow man share hype with company radio, barrow people man and whatever.
Yeah. She not no man.
Barrow man Reggae.
Oh, he look good and look good. Tell him to take me on one day.
Take you on one day.
Never skip back on day.
Wait, what you say? Take you on and never what?
Tell her if take me on one day and me come down and wish finally in Manchester. Anyway, and then me find him.
You find now whatever this and that.
Anyway.
And then Robert, then where you gonna make all that the trip there and then go flap now? What how that go?
No, me not flap man. You have to read about the Star and the Gleaner.
What you say when you're done with her and think that God in the media, the Star and the Gleaner. Yeah.
Everybody over for a year about
Everybody hear about it and think when you put it on Panara and think the world are gonna hear about that work there. No.
Everybody are gonna hear about
the world are gonna hear about that work there. Them are gonna repeat.
Not even only God.
Not even only God. Yeah, what go on. Them are gonna do a report on the Ukraine war and say, stop, news flash, Robert nearly killed something. Mash up the work. Hold them, Robert. Hold them. Buddy.
Muddy.
Tell them, Robert. Muddy. Robert, give them the 2 alien 2 cute talk. Say, they no eat.
They no eat.
Hey. All right, Robert, big up yourself here.
Big up yourself.
All right, my general, bless up yourself, man. People don't know the thing set, we say energy over here 90. Yo, me love how they look at show and Billy say I be a something that thing. Because, me love laugh. People for laugh and release and like anxiety and stress. Look how much problem in the world and whatever. People for laugh, people for just kind of just engage in a look of foolishness and joke around and draw a card for one another and them thing there, whatever. And they know my style that already, right? And that, them type of content, yeah. You listen right, you know, and laugh and thing, and appreciate it. It's not for everybody, but that's how the thing said, right? Them have different program for different people and whatever. Again, remember, whole heap of radio station there in Jamaica, so you have a choice and thing and whatever. You work with your strength. And this is what I do. I make people laugh and enjoy themselves and relax and balance up them thing, right? Then no eat! Yeah, and the alien too cute. That's all Kevin did, they laugh or whatever. Because you know, so Kevin hear that before we, Kevin hear that talk that before we, You can't imagine all one of them nights when alien too cute, boom it off on Kevin and thing and mash up him and when Kevin say, yo, alien say, I kill me, and alien must just say, then no eat! Well, 2 more pints. Yo, we can't bother. Yo, I'm going to kill up foolishness. People big up on themselves, all right. You don't know, so I'm going to let you know. I'm going to edit up that show here as usual. Upload it on my YouTube channel in I-90 so that it's available to 9 o'clock in the morning, one pop. You don't know the levels and thing. Anytime I do the show, I go home, I edit it up and thing. And put it up on YouTube. It's a whole little process to edit it and upload it. It take a little time or whatever. But you don't know. Enough people can't listen to the show in the night, and things. So them depend upon it. A morning, when time them they are work and all these things and whatever. And big up the people them who work up here and do living work and them something, and them love it, and the driver them on the road, the truck driver them and all them people and them people. They big up on yourself, man, and think. Take care of yourself. And do remember, you know, over YouTube, what the channel name? Ragashanti TV. Right? Make sure you subscribe to that channel there. And when you subscribe, click a bell too. You want bell over there, you have to click a bell. And I always have to tell on the people who are PNP to about to know and nothing with bell. Click a bell, man. Click a bell. All right? The bell have nothing to do with JLP. Right? The bell is just for notification. Right? Now, Keita, big up yourself, you know, goody. Bless up yourself, you know. You and your gentleman and the little baby and all these things, don't you? Yeah, so when you go over YouTube, you go to Ragashanti TV, right? When you go Ragashanti TV, you click subscribe, and you also click the bell. And do remember, there are hundreds of hours of content over there from past shows from the Jamaica years. Crazy, crazy, funny shows and all these things. And Ragashanti live shows. And free up shows, whole heap of show over the phone entertainment. So just go on meds and enjoy on yourself and bust big laugh and all these things. All right? Take care of yourself, people. I'll be back on Wednesday night right here, 10 o'clock, same way on the Bridge 99 FM. Right? And do remember, Carleen show up on a Tuesday night, 10 to 12. And do remember the fix on a Thursday night, 10 to 12 in the same time slot here. And of course, me, Ragashanti, Miss Cherry Wash Belly, my mama last picnic, may her soul rest in peace. I am here Mondays, Wednesdays, and Friday nights, right? 10 to 12. Big up on yourself, people. You know, take care of you and yours. Make sure your bathroom clean. When you have beard, look on the rinse water. Make sure it's not brown. Soap up again and rinse again until the rinse water nice and clean and you know your beard good. I always leave that little tip the phone and thing. All right. Wednesday again. Kevin, big up yourself. Enough thanks and blessing my general down there at Jamaica. All right. Out the road.
Hi, this is Butcher Barrington. You're tuned to Bridge 99 FM, taking the music from the Caribbean all the way to the diaspora globally.